Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be making a video on how to do highlights just like this right here. And the reason why I'm doing this video right here is because the next video is going to be this right here. So that's why we're going to be doing this video, because I know you guys wanted the other video, but I have to do two separated videos just so it's not all one long video. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this short little nice video. This is a very important video. If every designer gotta know how to do highlights. Trust me, it helps you so much with everything. But anyway, let's just get into the video, and yeah, smash a like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Just to be clear, all the packs that I'm using in this video will be on my PayHip, which there is a link in the description to check it out. And I will be leaving a discount code somewhere in this video for 10% off your order. And don't forget to join the Discord as well, and enjoy the video. Alright, so first of all, you're going to create, of course, your project. Doesn't matter what size, because this is a highlight tutorial. So let me just find an object or something. Alright, so we're going to be using this as an object. Let's just pick like maybe a little dark background just so I can show you guys. Alright, so this background right here is good enough. Make this character bigger. And okay, so let's just pick two different colors for this highlight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick green and we're gonna pick blue, because why not? Great colors. All right, we're gonna put green over here just like that, and we're gonna put blue like here. You don't have to do this, but this is just for me to show you guys. All right, anyway, so as you can see, now we have this. Let's add some more blue maybe. There you go. All right, so now what you got to do is you got to go on your character. Got him. Character, we're going to call this Mario because it's Mario. And then we're going to pick here, hue saturation. And then we're going to pick until we, okay, wait. Make sure you hold Alt and press here to like merge it or whatever it's called. I'm going to press Colorize. And we're going to choose green. So just like this. This is good. And you could put the lightness a bit up, just like that. Now we're gonna press Control I, boom, to invert it. And now we're gonna put this, what is it called, the eraser tool. And now we're gonna use this. Put the hardness on 0 and the flow on 20-ish%. And no, that's too much, like 13%. And now just press around like right here where you want where the light is coming from. So let's see, as you can see, here is the light, here is the light. This is point A, this is point B, you know. So no, I'm not gonna be a nerd now. But yeah, oh shit, I'm on the wrong fucking thing. Hold on a minute. All right, there you go. So now you just need to, you know, go around where the light is coming from. Just like that. Just like this. Oh. I'm trying not to mess up. So as you can see, you can already tell that as you can see, it already looks pretty good. We can bring the opacity a bit down or up. So just like this, we're gonna add, the closer you are to the light, the more you gotta like add off the thing, you know. But anyway, like this, for example, as you can see, it's pretty like green now. You can see that's green coming from this side. Also, what you gotta do is go here, brightness and contrast, put the contrast a bit up, brightness, no wait, I'm tripping. No wait, that was right. Okay, no, contrast a bit up and brightness a bit down and contrast a bit up. There you go. As you can tell, it looks a lot better. Actually, that's too. But yeah, okay, but right here, as you can see, I kind of messed up, but all you gotta do is just even it out. Okay, wait, this is, there we go, that works. Just like that. So now, once you have done that, what you gotta do is, you gotta add a bit more here, actually. just like that. All right, anyway, now as you can see, comes light from here. And now what you can do is, you see this right here, Control J, boom. No, don't do that. Okay, click exposure, put the exposure up a bit, just like this. And you see here, right here, hold Control and just drag it over like this. Okay, wait, no, how was it? Alt and Control? Yeah, hold Alt and Control, or just Alt. And then what you gotta do is merge that, of course. And look, the difference is crazy. Okay, maybe we did add a bit too much, but just like that. Just add exposure. It really depends on the picture and what, but you gotta mess around with these settings. And there we go. Now we gotta do the same for this other side, but we're not done yet, actually. Now what we can do is click solid color, green, boom. Gonna click here and we're gonna press on, where is this? Linear color, no, linear dodge add. Put the opacity down to about like 30 something percent, I don't even know. Control I, and this you don't have to like merge it or whatever we call it. What is this called? Like layer it, or no, wait, clipping mask it. But yeah. So now you can add a bit of like a little bit of this. This is the power of them. This is the insane thing. See how much better that looks, just because I did that. Like, that's crazy to me. There you go. Now it adds this little like glowy-ish kind of effect to it, which looks way better. You can mess around with the opacity if you don't like it. But as you can see, now you can tell that there's color coming from this side. And also, if you want shadows on your character, all you got to do is exposure, put this down, Control I, eraser tool, and for example, let's say I want a shadow right here. You see, I can just do this. Just like that. See, now you got a shadow right here. So now let's do the same thing on the other side, but just with blue. So start up solid, no, I'm tripping. Hue saturation, colorize, pick blue. Okay, that's already good. Boom. Yeah, that works. Put this a bit up. Control I. And let's just add, oh, of course you gotta merge this, so like this. Yep, perfect. All right. Okay, well, this is a bit harder because red and blue is not a good mix, but it works. Okay, well, that works, I guess. Okay, it's really good here, but when it comes to the red, it's not looking good. It's because red and blue, you know. But I can try. No, it's not gonna look good. What I could try is just like this. Yeah, that's not gonna work. All right, so we're not gonna do the red part right here. Anyway, yeah, okay, so we got this. Boom. Remember what we did with the exposure thing. We're gonna put the exposure a bit up and hold Alt and drag it over there. Boom. Merge it. Perfect. See, that already looks way better. And of course, solid color. Boom. Here. And yeah, put the whatever opacity on, and boom. And of course, you're gonna add a bit here. So just like that. Perfect. Now you can already see the highlights, how great this is. The green side really was good, but the blue side wasn't as good because it's messing around when I'm doing this. But I could figure it out, but I'm not gonna figure it out right now because it's just an example. But of course, this looks great right here, and I already taught you how to do shadows. Now, if you want to do like, let's say not shadows, but like a brighter, you just do the exact opposite of making a shadow. You just put the exposure really high up. Boom. let's say there's like a sun or something coming from here, all you gotta do is just put the exposure up, Control I, and oh yeah, wait, I'm not on the razor tool. And then look, okay, wait, merge it, or create a clipping mask, and there you go, see? So let's just say there's a light coming from here. Okay, wait, actually, let's create a light coming from here. So just like that. Alright, just like that, look. And now let's just create a light. See, there you go. But yeah, I think I've covered everything, but if I think I've already made a video on the glowy eyes, but yeah, so yeah, I've covered everything in this video. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I mean, did enjoy this video, and smash a like and subscribe, and enjoy this. Bro, I can't talk, man, today. This is not my day, but anyway, the next video is gonna be crazy. You guys are gonna love the next video, and peace out.